Hello friends, welcome to the video number 35 for the Python 3 series. And well, in this video we're gonna continue talking about modules. Now in the previous video we talked about the basics of modules and how we can use the modules that are already included in Python. But now we're gonna talk about how we can create our own modules. And well, in video 32 we made an example of how to create recursive functions. So I'm gonna use that same script. It's very simple, right? We created a definition or a function to calculate the factorial of a number using recursion, and that's basically it. I think I just had like a print statement here. I just deleted, I removed it, and well, again, a Python module is just a Python script that contains functions. So well, here it is. We're gonna use this one. I just renamed the file to recursion. It's the same extension .py. Now, what names you can use? Let's open the Python shell and use the help, and then we use the modules. And well, as long as you don't use any one of the already named modules, you should be fine. So just try to stick to this casing, just use lower cases. And if you want to use two words, for example, then just use the underscore as a separator, and well, you should be fine, no problems. Now another thing, well, let's now try to call our to import our module from the Python shell. So import recursion, and here we're gonna get an error. In Python shell, it's not gonna work just like this. We're gonna see how we can make this work. But here, well, you can see I have my module in the same directory as the script that is gonna be calling it. In this case, of course, well, it's in the desktop. So here I have this other Python script, and we can just do the same import, then the name of the file or the module, which is recursion, and then in this case I'm gonna use a variable r, and I'm gonna store there using the module recursion, and then the dot operator, use the recursive factorial function, and then we pass the argument, in this case 7, and then just print whatever is stored in the variable r. So let's just run it, and we get the answer. Let's test this with another number, let's say 10, and there it is. Um, Now, well, again, this is very convenient in case you wanna move all your modules and scripts to another directory. As long as they are in the same directory, this should work without problems. Now, if you wanna have this module available in basically any other Python script or for any Python script, you can add this or include it in the Python's modules library. Now, if you, like me, don't go there pretty often, well, it's kind of hard to find, or maybe a little hard to find. But there is a very easy way, I hope. Just click here on the Windows Start menu. Of course, at least for Windows, I think it's pretty simple. Find the Python installation, here it is. And then on the IDLE, just do a right click and look for the open file location. You're gonna be taken to somewhere like this. Here you can see you have shortcuts. You can say it for this little arrow right here. So just do it again, right click and then open file location, and now you should be taken to the actual installation of Python. Again, who has time to learn all this location? And then just come inside of the lib. And on the lib file, you can see all the modules in here. So now we can just cut this and paste it in here. Again, there are no recursion modules inside of the Python library, so I can include this here with no problem. And well, now we can come here and say import recursion, and now we don't get errors. Now I'm just gonna do a quick copy paste from here, right? And then print R, and there it is. And of course, we can just run our Python script. There it is. Let's change this again to 7, and well, it is working fine. Now I'm gonna take this out of here. I don't want to keep it here. It was just for example. There it is. And well, that's basically it. A Python module, again, is just a Python script, so you can create your own modules. It's a Python script that contains definitions for functions. And well, again, if it's on the same directory, you can access it through any other Python script, again, in the same directory. Or you can put this in the Python library for the modules, so you can have access to it from any other Python script. And well, that's basically it, how you can create your own modules. And as always, I hope that you find this video useful. Let's leave the video right here. And please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks all of you for watching, and I hope to see you on the next video.